Hello everyone, welcome to Deep Focus. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare documents for the DOV application that you are going to need for your visa and further process. First of all, I'm going to show you the checklist. Number 1, you need university documents. In that you will need your degree and a transcript and also a syllabus issued by your university if you are applying from Islamabad Embassy. Next, you will need to prepare your schooling documents that are your metric certificate, metric DMC, intermediate certificate and intermediate DMC. Other documents that you need to prepare are passport copies, first and the last page, domicile, language proficiency, maybe IELTS or a certificate issued by your university, and passport size pictures, and the last, admission letter from the university. How you will prepare your university degree and transcript? First, you will need to get them attested from HEC, then you will send them to MOFA for attestation. In the end, you need to get them translated. As far as the submission is concerned, you need to submit original copies of degree and transcript, 3 photocopies of each and a translated copy of both. Now let me show you some samples of university degree and transcript. This is the university degree that has been attested and this is the transcript that has been attested. These are the back sides and these two are the stamps attested by HEC. And all these rest of the stamps have been pasted by Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So you need to make sure you have all these stamps. This is the QR code that has been pasted by Ministry of Foreign Affairs. This is something that the Italian offices will check to see if your documents are original or not. Now let's discuss how to prepare schooling documents. You will need to get your schooling documents verified from your board. Next, you will get them attested from IBCC and then you will need to get them attested from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and in the end, you need to get them translated. As far as the quantity is concerned, you need to submit original copies of all these and 3 photocopies along with the translations. Now let's look at some samples. This is the intermediate certificate or mark sheet, and this one is the metric mark sheet. These are all the stamps that you will need on each of your schooling documents. This is from the IBCC and the rest of these ones are from Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now you do not need a stamp from your respective board because your board office will paste their stamp on a photocopy of your original documents and that photocopy will be kept by IBCC for the next attestation. So these are all the stamps that you need on your schooling documents. Next, you need to go and get your domicile and passport copies notarized. 3 copies of each. You will need to go to a court in your city and ask an agent there to notarize your documents and he will do that for you. Now let's look at some samples. This is the domicile that has been notarized and this is a notarized passport. A golden colored stamp on it. This is how notarization is done. Once you have submitted all your documents along with an application form, you will get your declaration of value that will look something like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.